and welcome back to another video on Flora's Way channel. Today we have the SmallRig RC315B Cob LED video light for a video review. A few months ago, SmallRig entered the LED lighting market with the RC120 and RC220 Cob units. You can see my video review of the SmallRig RC120D if you click up at the info window or at the link in the description. And now, SmallRig expands its Cob LED line with 4 new lights: RC350D, RC350B, RC450D and RC450B. The SmallRig RC350C is suitable for many uses such as cinematography, professional broadcast use, YouTube and video interviews. It is also suitable for portrait photography, product photography and still photography. These new lights takes aim at the more high and professional market by offering much more powerful system that employ an Astraltech optical system which is much more powerful, offering 35% greater output than the competition. The new Astraltech optical system combines larger, higher-powered LED chips with a custom-made 97% high transmission multi-coated from glass and a Cob bead design arrangement to provide better and even color mixing. The new, more aerodynamic shape is inspired by air vehicles and features a metal housing and fire-retardant material to make the lights more aesthetically pleasing, durable and sleek. The secure damming system prevents the head from tilting when loosened, avoiding damage. Safety is improved and adjustment is more precise. The AC adapter has state-of-the-art GaN material, which is a third-generation technology with power conversion reaching over 95% efficiency. The new light SmallRig RC315B light weighs only 8.5 kilograms and offers an accurate color rendering CRI of 96 and TLCI of 97 with power outputs at 115,000 lux and offer color temperature control from 2700K to 6500K. There are 3 ways to control the lights. You can use onboard controls with a full feature LCD display. You can also wirelessly control the fixtures up to 100 meters away with a small GoGo app or use the optical control panel. The new system comes with an upgraded control experience, due largely in part to the expandable control panel DMX control unit. The new light can connect to an external control panel that allows users to have easy access to critical settings without having to adjust their lights on set during a shoot. This SmallRig control panel is designed for RC350 and 450 series LED video light. It features a 2-inch LCD screen which shows real-time settings and allows you to adjust brightness, color temperature, build in special effects and reset Bluetooth for wireless app control. Additionally, the control panel comes with a super clamp and magic arm that can be secured to a light stand for easy operation. Also, you can connect the new lights to the SmallRig SmallGoGo mobile app and control the lights through their shoulder accessing the physical light. The new powerful light for SmallRig are fully compatible with standard Bowens mount and a wide range of light modifiers for maximum light control. Overall, the SmallRing RC350B is exactly as advertised. This light is a beast, the build quality is better than I imagined and the light is super bright. The output is fantastic and the controls are all very intuitive. I am mostly using the light as a large area ambient light with a softbox latent diffusion frame or as a sun replacement. I've paired up the light with the SmallRing 85 cm softbox for amazing soft light with crazy output. It's everything you need for a light. 30% is enough to light up a room. I found that I have always more than enough light and really use it at full power. This light is a great value and up to every professional task. It's absolutely amazing for the price and I would recommend it to anyone. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see video like this. And finally, what do you think about SmallRing RC315B Cob LED video light? Let me know down at the comment section underneath the video. Thank you, bye!